Hello, scrapbookers! I'm Megan, and I am back today with a super duper, so exciting announcement. So, I have been asked to be on a new design team, and I was so excited when they asked me. So I thought I'm just gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna show you the first kit. So, I don't know if you guys have heard of scrapbookingstore.com, but they reached out and asked me if I would like to join their design team for 3 months, and I said, heck yes. I've actually been looking at their kits for a while and just kind of following them and wishing that I could subscribe. So I was so excited when they reached out and said, hey, will you be on our design team? So this is the November kit, and it is Celebrate Autumn by Lori Whitlock, and it's an Echo Park paper kit. And this is what you get when you sign up. You get the main kit. So this is the main kit. And then all the rest of these things are upgrades, is what they call them. So I believe it's $10 a month. And that is the biggest thing that I really love about this kit club, is that it is affordable. And even if you want to buy the extra products and things to add on to your kit, it's still affordable. So these are the add-ons or upgrades, as they like to call them, at the scrapbooking store. So these super duper cute Jolie's Boutique dimensional stickers. These are some really cute butterflies, and it looks like they have a little embossing on them. That is really, really pretty. Then we've got some Studio 12 dimensional stickers. These are birds. Those are super cute. Then we also have these butterfly dimensional stickers from Studio 112, and those are super cute. They have a little bit of dimension on them. I don't know if you can tell, but like this one here, these two have dimension, and then the bottom two don't have dimension. This has dimension, and then the bottom doesn't. So it's kind of a fun way to introduce texture. They have a couple stickers that don't have dimension, and then 4 of them that do. So same thing with the birds. The wings have the dimension on them, and then there's a couple stickers that don't have any dimension. So those are kind of fun. Then we've got the Studio Calico cardstock shapes. So these are die cut feathers, and those are pretty. We've got, I guess I can open it up, right? It's my package, isn't it? We have got a couple different designs here, and all different colors. Orange, kind of light pink, red, blue, yellow, peach, gray, and these ones have little slits in them, so you could kind of have a different look to your leaves. So those will be fun to kind of incorporate into some fall photos. I actually already know what photos I'm going to use, and I'm so excited. Okay, so that is the last embellishment for the upgrades. Oops, I'm dropping my new pretty feathers. Okay. Then last but definitely not least, I was super, super duper excited to see this in the kit. So this is One Canoe 2, and it's from the Twilight collection. And it's, I think it's like a build your flower kind of stamp. So you stamp this, and then you stamp this in a different color, and you stamp the leaf, and then you stamp this part of the leaf onto here in a different color. So it's kind of fun. You can build your stamp up, and then it's got the word blessed and love, and then it also has some flowers. So that is really fun. So I was super excited about that. Okay, now we get to the main kit, which, like I said, is Celebrate Autumn. Now this is 2018's paper collection for Echo Park Fall, which I never did get any of this, and so I'm super excited that this was the kit that they went with, or the collection they went with. So this paper, that is super cute. Look at those little pumpkins next to the flowers. That's so cute. Ooh, and a nice plaid. This one is called Thankful Flowers. Then we have, I'm going to put the papers to the side here, this pretty acorn and leaf paper. That would be fun to layer with. Ooh, and then another pretty plaid. This one's called Autumn Acorns. I really like this one, and I think something like this would be kind of fun to just cut out all of these little sayings and phrases and things. But of course, I also like this background too. So who knows? We'll see what I do with it, right? That one was called Fall is Fun. Ooh, this one is super cute with all these different pumpkins. Oh, and I love this. I love a good stripe. This one's called Pumpkin Farm. This one is so stinking cute. And then it's got a nice plaid on the background. And that one's called Autumn Friends. Oh, I love this leaf one. Ooh. This is called Falling Leaves, and this is really pretty. It actually looks like a piece of paper that I just bought from Echo Park from this year's collection. That's kind of funny. It is a different design, but it's kind of the same idea. Okay, then here's this leaf paper and some apples. Oh, this is a pretty floral. And another pretty floral. Well, I guess these are leaves. The owls, which are super cute. That's a really nice pattern. And then one of the things that I'm starting to absolutely love that I didn't necessarily love before is the cut apart sheets. So this will be nice to do some fall Project Life scrapbooking with. Oh no! And they have a nice orange on the back. Oh, that breaks my heart. Totally breaks my heart because I love this backside too. Okay. Then we have 4x6. Here's a give thanks one. Beautiful autumn. Fall, sweet fall. Fall is in the air and thankful and blessed. Oh, and I love this backside too. Dang it, Echo Park. They're supposed to put the ugly papers on the back of these. Not that they ever really have any ugly papers. Okay, so here's, what is this? 3x3. This one's so cute. And I love the little pumpkins in the back there. Super cute. And then a nice plaid on the back of there. And then the other nice thing that I like, you don't get an embellishment pack, but I love the sticker packs lately. And the sticker sheets, I guess, is what this is. Because I don't really use the ephemera packs as much. And so it's nice when you get just a few pieces and they're already sticky on the back, right? So that is the Scrapbooking Store November 2019 kit. This is Celebrate Autumn from Echo Park, and it is their 2018 fall line. So I am super duper excited to be on this design team, and I can't wait. After I get done with this video, I am going to print off my pictures and I'm going to get to work. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be creating on this amazing design team. I'm super excited. So, yay! I'll see you guys soon. Bye!